Good morning, dear students. Welcome in our e-learning maths class. Myself, Sheetal Dholi from Gokhale Education Society's HL High School, English Medium, Ozar Township. I am here for Standard 9 Mathematics Part 2. And today, I am going to explain last chapter, that is surface area and volume. Let's start. Chapter number 9, surface area and volume. In this chapter, we have to study surface area of a cone, surface area of a sphere, volume of cone and volume of sphere. Before going to start these concepts, let's recall concepts like volume of cuboid, then cube and cylinder. That surface area and volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. So here, first concept is a cuboid. Look at the diagram. If you observe the diagram, here we can observe the cuboid. Those are having length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height of cuboid are L, B, H respectively. Then first one, area of vertical surface of cuboid equals to 2 in bracket length plus breadth into height. Then total surface area of cuboid equals to 2 in bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. And third one, volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. Now here some formulas are given. You have to learn these formulas. Now with the help of these formulas, we solve some examples from practice set 9.1. Those are based on cuboid. Let's start. See the first example from practice set 9.1. Length, breadth and height of cuboid shaped box of medicine is 20 cm, 12 cm and 10 cm respectively. Find the surface area of vertical face and total surface area of this box. Length, breadth and height is given. With the help of that, we have to find the surface area and we have to find the total surface area of the box. Now we know the formula. Here length is given 20 cm, breadth is given 12 cm, height is 10 cm. The surface area of the vertical face of the box equals to 2 in bracket L plus B into H. This is the formula. Now we just substitute the values in this formula. 2, length is given 20, breadth is 12 into height 10. Okay. So 2 into 20 plus 12, 32 into 10. Take the product of these two. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6 into 10. We'll get 640 centimeter square. Understood everyone? Now one more question is asked over there. We have to find the total surface area. So here next formula is the total surface area of the box equals to 2 in bracket L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Now again substitute the values. 2, length is given 20 into breadth 12 plus 12 into height 10 plus 20 into height 10. So we get 2 in bracket 12 to the 24. So here 240 plus 12 tens are 120, 20 tens are 200 equals to 2 into, after adding this we get 560, which is nothing but after taking the product of these two we'll get 1120 centimeter square. So here total surface area of vertical face is 640 centimeter square and total surface area of the box is 1120 centimeter square. Now second example is also based on the cuboid. So you will try for that. One more example is based on cuboid, that is the fifth one that I will explain again. Volume of cuboid is 34.50 cubic meter. Breadth and height of the cuboid is 1.5 meter and 1.15 meter respectively. Find its length. Now see the solution. See, volume is given 34.50 cubic meter. Breadth is given 1.5 meter. Height is given 1.15 meter. We have to find the length. We know the formula. Volume of cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height. So here volume of cuboid is given. So we write here 34.50 equals to length we have to find. So here as it is into breadth is 1.5 and height is 1.15. Now here 1.5 into 1.15 is in the multiplicative form. When we shift on left hand side, it just become divide. So 34.50 divided by 1.5 into 1.15 equals to L. Now here when we remove the decimal point, we get in this way. 3450 divided by 100 divided by 15 into 15 upon 100 into 115 upon 100 equals to L. Now here after taking the reciprocal, multiplicative reciprocal, we get 3450 upon 100 into 10 upon 15 into 100 upon 115. That 100 get cancelled. Then 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are, when we divide 3450, we get 230. Then 115 ones are 115 and here 115 twos are 230. Then 2 into 10 equals to L. So L equals to 20 meter. In this way we will get the length of cuboid when the volume is given. Understood? Now you will complete this both the examples and remaining sums based on cuboid you will try to solve. Now I will explain the next concept, that is cube. See, diagram shows the cube. If L is the edge of cube, edge means side, then first formula, total surface area of cube is 6L square. Area of vertical surface of cube is 4L square and volume of cube is L cube. These are the three formulas are given: total surface area, vertical surface area and volume of cube. Again I repeat, total surface area of cube is 6L square. Area of vertical surface of cube is 4L square and volume of cube is L cube. Now again we will solve the examples from practice set 9.1. Those are based on cube. See the third example. Side of cube is 4.5 centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces and total surface area of the cube. L is given 4.5 centimeter. We have to find the surface area and surface area of vertical face and total surface area. Now see the solution. Here L is given 4.5 centimeter. We have to find the area of vertical face. Okay, so here area of the vertical face of cube equals to 4L square. This is the formula. Then 4 into L is given 4.5, its square. So here 4 into 20.25. After taking the product of this, we get 81 centimeter square. So area of vertical face of cube is 81 centimeter square. Now second question is given there. We have to find the total surface area of the cube. So here total surface area of the cube equals to 6L square. Okay, so here 6 into L is 4.5, its square. So 6 into 20.25 will get 121.50 centimeter square. So total surface area of the cube is 121.50 centimeter square. Understood? Now fourth example is again based on the same only cube. So you will try for that sum. I will explain the sixth sum. What will be the volume of cube having the length of each 7.5 centimeter? Length is given 7.5 centimeter. We have to find the volume of cube. We know the formula of volume of cube is nothing but L cube. Now see the solution. L is given 7.5 centimeter. We have to find the volume of cube. So here volume of cube equals to L cube. L is 7.5 cube. That means 7.5 into 7.5 into 7.5. After taking the product of all this, we get the answer 421.875. Okay. Now here 5 is there. So approximately we can say that 421.88 centimeter cube. So volume of cube is 421.88 centimeter cube. Understood? Now remaining sums you will try. Now next concept is there, that is cylinder, that I am going to explain now. Cylinder. Now look at the diagram. Here it is shown cylinder. Here height is given and that base radius R is given. Radius of cylinder is R and height is H. Then curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Total surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi R in bracket R plus H, and volume of cylinder is pi R square H. Now here pi value is given to you. We know that the value of pi is 3.14 or 22/7. Okay. Now here cylinder is given, so here curved surface area is there. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi R in bracket R plus H, and volume of cylinder is pi R square H. Now remaining sums from practice at 9.1, those are based on cylinder, that we will discuss now. 7 and 8, these both examples are based on cylinder. I will explain the 7th one. You will try to solve for the 8th one. Radius of base of cylinder is 20 centimeter and height is 13 centimeter. Find its curved surface area and total surface area. Already I told that pi value is given to you. That pi value is 3.14. Now see the solution. Radius is given, R is given 20 centimeter, height is 13 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the curved surface area. So the curved surface area of cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Okay, this is the formula. Pi value is already given here, that is 3.14. So we have to take the same only. Now substitute the values. 2 into 3.14, R is given 20, then H is given 13. After taking the product of all these, we get the answer 1632.80 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find the total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of a cylinder equals to 2 pi R in bracket R plus H. So here 2 into 3.14 into 20 in bracket 20 plus 13. So 2 into 3.14 into 20 into 33. After taking the product of all these, we get the answer 4144.80 centimeter square. Okay. Now in this way you will try for the next sum, which is based on cylinder. Along that, complete all the sums from practice at 9.1 and also write down the formulae for cuboid, cube and cylinder. Okay. Very soon we will meet in next video with the new concept.